It's Linda, aka Mid-Size Morena. Yes. And today we are going to, as the title says, try adding clip-on bangs to a lace front wig. Okay? I know what you're thinking. It's lace front. If I wanted a wig with bangs, I could have bought a wig with bangs, as is such. And I said, you know, I may not always want to wear bangs. So today we're going to try it. I don't even know if it's going to work. I don't even know. So pass or fail, we're going to be in this together. Okay? So the wig that I'm going to be doing it on is the Sukri 30-inch wig. I will link that wig into my description box. At the time of this filming, it is $30.99 on Amazon with a $10 off coupon because $30.99, I was like, ooh. But with the $10 off coupon, I said, yes, let's try it. For $20, try it, right? So, anywho, let's get this one off. If you like this one, I will link back to my very first video where I did the unboxing video of this wig and another burgundy one that I purchased from Amazon as well. Both of them were $15. And if you like this wig, you want to see more videos like this, if you want to see more attempts at what's going to happen, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment and tell me what you want to see. So without further ado, let's get my headband off and let's get my red burgundy one off and put that to the side. And the Sukri. Now I have already done an unboxing video for this one, so I'm not going to really go into this one again because if you want to see the unboxing, I can link you to the video. But just real quick, this one's 30 inches. Again, it was $30.99 on Amazon and it had a $10 off coupon, and it's a natural black color and it's a lace front, 4 inches back, 2 inches across with 2 wig clips in the front. So let's get it on and let's try these clip-on bangs. So let's get this out the way. Okay. So I'm not really worried about clipping this one down completely just because, like I said, we're just experimenting today. We're going to even see if this even works. So let's pull this hair back. I'll cut a little bit of the lace just far enough so I can glue it down with my Got2b should I choose to wear this wig without the bangs. So these bangs I purchased as well from Amazon. The brand is Gongjuy. I might be pronouncing that wrong, so I'll just also put the link to these bangs in the description box as well. So if you're interested and want to try something, or if you have another lace front and you're like me, you're not a lace pro, and sometimes when you try, you didn't try hard enough. I've been there. I'll put these in there so you can see about if it works, then get them. If it doesn't, well, we tried. I tried for you. So, opening it up, out the bag, they give you a cute little thank you card. It says that these bangs are human hair. Okay. And it's got this cute little, that's actually really cute, little mini little head wrap, maybe. Don't call that that. It's like a satin. It's super cute. And a hair roller because I guess I'm only gonna roll one side of my bangs. Or maybe they think I have more. I don't. And here are the bangs. As you can see, I chose a natural color because I knew I was going to be adding it to a natural color wig. They have other color bangs, but again, for the purposes of this, I just stuck natural and natural. I didn't want to have red bangs up here, and then y'all be making a meme out of me, okay? I don't want to be made into a meme. So, let's get the bangs open. It came with a little mesh and a little paper. I always say to save those because if I don't plan on wearing these things very often, then if I don't plan on wearing this bang very often, then I at least want to have a proper way to store it because the manufacturer sent it that way. So that's how I'm gonna keep it. So without further ado, here are the bangs. It looks kind of like this should be little side bangs and these would be on the forehead. It comes with, there's a clip here and there are 2 clips here. So before I put this on, I'm going to cut this lace just because I don't want any extra trouble trying to get these bangs on. I don't need this all up in my face. So I'm just gonna cut, and I'm not gonna cut it all. I'm just gonna cut it to where it would be, I could probably work with that with some got tape. So anywho, the lace is cut. Let's get these bangs on. Now tell me, I mean, have you guys even wore clip-on things before? Like, I didn't even know this was a thing, but now I know that they are, and if they work, they will be more things in my collection. because again, I try at best, and some days are good, and some days look like I shouldn't have even. It's just that. And so well, they're cute. Wait a minute. Let's pull it back some. Let's push that. And then let's get the clip. Do you remember I said it had 2 in the front and it has the one in the back? So I got the first one, and I believe that is the second one. Let's just, oh no, I didn't get the first one. Let's get that back some more. I don't think this is gonna work. Look, can y'all tell me what I'm doing wrong? Can you help us sister out? It's stuck in my hair. Let's try again. Let's just smooth this out. I don't want to give this wig any more tangles than what it already has. So let's see what I'm doing wrong here. It didn't come with instructions. I guess they thought that I would like watch a YouTube video or something and figure out how to do it. So, you know what? I'm actually going to try to clip these on my hairline and see if that works instead of trying to clip it to the wig, because that may be what I'm doing wrong. Let's find out. No. Nope. No. I mean, the bangs are super cute. They are super cute. But this is not made to clip on to a wig. And if it is, it's not made for me to clip onto a wig. I'm not a quitter, so we're gonna try this. Maybe I should quit, because I mean I can't even see. I can't even see. Can you see me? So definitely probably gonna stick to keeping these bangs on actual hair, but just for demonstration purposes, so you can see what the bangs look like. They are actually, let me pull that back. The bangs are actually, they're pretty cute. And if I could figure out a way to make it work with my wig, I would wear it with the wig, but the way this is sitting right now, see, it's just flapping like, I'm not gonna be that person. I'm not gonna be on TikTok with my bangs going, you know, or even worse, like. So, anywho, this was a fail. I'm gonna call this a fail. But the bangs are not a fail. I mean, the bangs with the wig are a fail, but the bangs themselves, I mean, like I said, these are actually really, really cute. Look at that. Ooh, got hair in my face. The bangs are cute. I wish they would have worked with my wig because, you know, I can't get my hair this straight without a lot of heat. And in 2021, I'm really not trying to wear my natural hair out just because it's been getting damaged underneath. It's long, but it's been getting damaged due to me living in the desert, and it's just dry out here all the time. And if it's not hot, it's snowing. So, you know, my hair doesn't really get a break. But if you're interested in clip-on bangs, like I said, they feel very nice. I don't know that they're truly human. They feel like they could be. But maybe if I had a U-part wig. Let me know what you think. Would you try these bangs with a U-part wig? Because that actually might work. Anywho, well, thank you for sticking with me this long. If you know, looking at this fail, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share it, you know, get some laughs, because, you know, it's cute. It's just it don't work with this kind of wig. So anywho, y'all stay blessed. Like, subscribe, share. Again, I'll link to my unboxing of this wig video, and I'll also link to the unboxing of the wig that I wore in the first video. If you have anything you want to see, if you have any comments, if you have any tips on how to make this work with not a U-part wig, please put it in the comments, because I tried it just like I tried my lace. It wasn't for me. Anywho, y'all stay blessed and have a good one.